Shut up and sit down.
Hello, people. Right, I've had a parcel. Sent to me. Now, the sender is Rocco, Ronald, Borg from Malta. And he has sent me some lovely metallizer paint, or powders even. And they are from Agama. We've got an annealed steel. We've got a silver metal, a browned metal, an aluminum or aluminium, and a red gold. Now, from what I gather, these are like a pigmenty metallizing powder that you can put on with some of the thinners there. You can use it to thin as application of Agma metal paste, improve the flow and adhesion to plastic surfaces, and you can dilute the paste with it. So I'm going to use these. I've got the big exhaust system for me Jag to try it on, and I'm also going to try it on some of my motorcycle exhausts just to see what effect I get. So as soon as I've done this World War I Dio, Ronald, I'm going to do a review on these, mate. Give you a shout out on that video. But in the meantime, I would just like to say a big thank you for sending me these, buddy. It is much appreciated. Sorry for the delay in uploading the video, buddy. My bad, I totally forgot. Kick me in the teeth, shoot me at dawn and all of that lot. But honestly, mate, they are much appreciated. I'm really looking forward to trying these. So, give Ronald a visit. If he's on the tubes, give him a sub. And once again, Ronald, thank you so much. Cheers for now.